Some people like to cut these into 3. I like to cut them into 4 pieces. It's just a little bit more manageable with one hand to dip in salsa, whatever. But what I want you to do, watch this. So the first cut, you just cut it in half, which is simple, right? But here's where people make a mistake sometimes. They go to cut this in half and they just cut it directly in half. What's going to happen is you're going to have nothing holding that piece together at the bottom because you just cut right there. What I want you to do instead is still cut it in half so they're equal, but just a 1/2 inch away from the end, cut it there. So you see what I mean? So this one here is easy because it has the edge on it, so it's contained, so it's easy to pick up. But this one here, because I cut it like that, it's joined all the way around, so you're not having filling spilling out when you're going to lift it up and dipping, right? Let me show you what would happen if I didn't cut that way. So I just cut it right there. Look at this. Now the top is separate from the bottom, right? And you have a more of a chance of it, you know, like falling apart, and it's not joined there. So cut it in half, about a 1/2 inch away, cut it in half again, 1/2 inch away, cut it in half again. And then to get it on the plate, one quick motion like that, get the cutting board there, get your hand, and just slide it off. And you have quesadilla. Garnish that up nicely with big dollops of salsa. We'll do some sour cream on top of that too. You could do the sour cream first and then the salsa. Well, hey, whatever you want to do, it's all good. It's your quesadillas. And then you take a piece out, and there'll still be lots there in the center to dip your piece into. And if you had a sprinkling of green onions or something, that would be awesome on top of there.